Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about chapter 4 of your HSC 12th standard textbook RENCONTRES. So as you can see, what is the title of the chapter? Sauvons notre planète. Let's save our planet. Sauvons means to save, notre means our, and planète means planet. So as you can see in the picture given below, a family is seated and they are watching some news. So now what is the news about? Un soir à la fin June, an evening in the end of the June, les voisins d'Eric, the neighbors of Eric, la famille Labrante, the family Labrante, est assis dans le salon, is seated in the drawing room, devant la télévision, in front of the television. Ils regardent les actualités à la télévision. They are watching, les actualités means what? News. On the television, sur la scène, on the channel LCI. LCI means what it is given here in the footnote. LCI est aussi appelé la chaîne info, is also called as the chaîne info. Okay. Coming back, voici la présentatrice. Here is the presentator, female version. So anchor, presentator. Okay. La présentatrice avec les nouvelles de la semaine, with the news of the week. So what does she say? Here inverted comma begins. This is the inverted comma called as guillemets. Okay. Bonjour. Grand chaleur à Paris et dans beaucoup de pays européens. Okay. So, good morning. A lot of heat. Chaleur means heat at Paris and in various and in a lot of. Beaucoup de means a lot of European countries. C'est la canicule. This is the heat wave. La canicule means heat wave. You have to underline these new words such as la canicule, la présentatrice, chaleur. Okay. Moving forward. L'air est très chaud. The air is very hot. Les températures sont montées jusqu'à 40 degrés. So the temperatures have risen till 40 degrees Celsius. Hydratez-vous. So hydrate yourself. Hydratez-vous, hydrate yourself. Now, on lit ces slogans dans la ville. We are reading the slogans of hydrate yourself in the city. C'est le réchauffement planétaire. This is the global warming. Le réchauffement planétaire means the global warming. Okay, the next paragraph. En vous présent le reportage du président de l'apostrophe. So it is what? It begins with a vowel. Okay. L'ONG. ONG. It is what? The full form might be given. Okay. ONG is a non-governmental organization. Okay. So here, the report of president of ONG on what? Eau secours means what? O means water. Secours means emergency. So water emergency. Youth, which fights. Okay. Pour résoudre fights to resolve the problems of the water. Les problèmes de l'eau. Again, inverted commas continue. The presentator is reading, right? The anchor is reading. Le manque d'eau. She's reading out the report of the president. Okay. Le manque d'eau, the shortage of water, et le grand défi aujourd'hui is the big challenge today. Évitons le gaspillage. So, évitons means quit. Quit the wastage or avoid the wastage. And préservons les ressources naturelles and preserve the natural resources. Vous, moi, tous ensemble, faisons des efforts pour réduire ce problème. You, me, everyone together will make the efforts to reduce this problem. Now, et maintenant, la météo. And now, the weather forecast. La météo means weather forecast. So, le père Labrant, the father Labrant, rentre dans sa chambre, returns to his bedroom, et commence à écrire son journal intime. So, the father of the family, la père, he returns to his bedroom and starts to write his journal intime means diary. Il réfléchit. So he recalls, he writes, Quand j'étais très jeune, when I was very young, tous ces problèmes n'existaient pas. all these problems did not exist. L'air était plus pure. The air was very pure and fresh. Et frais. Et il ne faisait pas si chaud. And it was not this hot. Pendant les vacances, during the vacations, j'allais me baigner dans la mer. During the vacations, I used to bathe myself. Me baigner, take a bath on oneself. Okay. Me baigner dans la mer. I used to have a bath in the sea. La mer means sea. L'eau était beaucoup plus propre. Can we have a bath today in the sea? Like, is it humanly possible? No, because there are many toxins and all that. But he is recalling that when he was young, at that time, the water was a lot more pure, a lot more proper. Le problème d'eau était également rare. The problem of water was equally rare, également equally. Mais que passe-t-il? But what is going on? Maintenant, tout a changé. Now, maintenant means now, everything has changed. Il faut sauver la planète pour nos enfants. Il faut means it is necessary to save our planet for our children. Okay. And the next page you can see. So there are some tips given for saving the environment. Pour sauver l'environnement, il faut to save the planet, to save the environment, it is necessary to avoid the wastage of water, éviter le gaspillage de l'eau, prendre le transport en commun, take the public transport. Third point is réduire l'usage des objets en plastique, reduce the use of plastic objects, planter des arbres, to plant trees. So here the point one is autrefois la terre était verte. Autrefois means earlier, or old times. Okay, old times. Or respire l'air, or respire the l'air pure. In older times or earlier, the earth, la terre earth was green. We used to breathe pure air. Then what happened? Come to picture 2. On exploit les ressources naturelles. We exploited the natural resources. On coupe les arbres. We cut the trees. And on détruit la nature, and we destroy the nature. After that, what happened? Come to third one. Il y a un effet négatif sur l'environnement. So it has made, or there is a negative effect on the environment. Le changement climatique, la pollution. So what is the negative effect? It is the climatic change and the pollution. And now the fourth picture. Il faut agir ensemble pour sauver notre planète. It is necessary to react together. Ensemble means together for saving our planet. So I hope you have a fair idea what this lesson is about. You can rewatch the video. I've tried to cover it as soon as in short duration as possible, so you can rewatch this video. In the second time when you'll watch this video, you're going to take a pen pencil, sit and note down the words, underline the words which you did not know the meanings of. Okay, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.